Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. I need to multiply by 1 over cosine s squared on numerator and denominator. So this one will go in here and sine s squared. So we have the formula in here. So if I put the power number 2 for the both sides, we have like this, and this one that is about tan s squared plus 1 sine s over cosine s, that is about tan s. So this one that is about 1 plus tan s squared. This one we have 2 tan s squared. This one we transform into this one. So 1 plus 2 we have number 3. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 cone here, and we got about u equals to number 0. When s equals to b over 4, we put b over 4 cone here, and you got about u equals to number 1. So number 0 we keep the same. B over 4 that is about number 1. This one we change for u. This one we change for du. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 over the square root of number 3 tan t. Because if I put this one go on here, we have 1 over 3 tan t square. Number 3 and number 3 they cancel. 1 plus tan t square, that is about secant of t square, and later that we simplify by du. Now we can do first the derivative for the both sides. Next, we need to change the bounds. When u equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 cone here. We can find the value of t. So t equals to number 0. When u equals to number 1, we put number 1 cone here to find the value of t. So t equals to b over 3. So I will put this one gone here. This one that is about this one. Du that is about this one. So this one that is about 1 over 3 tan t square. Now we simplify number 3. And this one, that is about secant of t squared. And now we simplify. So we have the final answer. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.